Hello, Zach here from AI Automation Elite and Code Shock Software Development. Today we're going to continue our series talking about or live demoing these AI tools for software. The last one that we did, Llama Coder, using the Llama 3.1 405 billion parameter, did not work out so well in that Llama Coder environment. So today we're going to try AI Artifacts by E2B. The repo will be, and the link will be in the description. Also, if you like these kind of videos, please like and subscribe. I do appreciate it. And if you're interested about learning AI automation, please check out my school. The description is in the link as well. August 18th, we start 14 days of automation, new automation every single day. And currently it's free till the end of the month. So if you're interested, please join. It'll be lifetime for free. And we're really just about adding value to your business, to your life, to your resume. So let's look at this. So here's the repo. And open source Anthropic Cloud Artifacts. Okay, and so this is an open source for that using the E2B's Code Interpreter SDK and Code SDK for the AI code execution. Right, it has the install instructions. Looks like you need an E2B AI key and Anthropic key if you decide to clone it and run it locally, but we're going to try their live version. So when we get over here, we see we have Persona, Data Analyst, Next.js, and Streamlit. I think one of the issues we had with Llama Coder was that it did not tell us that it looked like it was mostly just Next React. So this is nice. Lots of models available. Whether or not these are plugged into the live version, I don't know, but we're going to go with the Claude 3.5 Sonnet. Okay, so let's go ahead and describe an app. Build a Tic-Tac-Toe game for 2 players. Okay. Certainly. All right, I like this. Let's write the code for the entire app py file. All right, nice. So it automatically splits it into 2 sides. I do like that feature. Llama Code had a nice one as well. The best results so far have been Claude Dev VS Code extension, but let's take a look at it. So we have our code here, Streamlit and NumPy. Okay, so we have the UI and the gameplay. Let's look at the preview. All right, not great, but let's see what happens. Interesting. So if I click on this one, so not quite there, but player win. But at least it starts. Let's see here. Now, can we interact with this? Doesn't look like it. All right, well, let's see if it'll fix it. The player X or O is not being shown until the following play is made. Let's see what happens. Does it allow us to interact with it? Oversight. Let's see what it does. Sometimes these live tests, I've never tried it before. Sometimes they come out successful, but I think it's important to just get that first feel, that first experience. All right, let's go back to preview. Still having the same issue there. Reset game does not seem. So if this was X and I want O here and X here, O there, We could probably set and work through this, keep working with it, but we wanted to see how it did with the Streamlit. Let's change this to Next.js and see if it is able. Let's see, do we have a... So there's rerun, record a screencast, which is pretty cool. So let's see what it says. So it's no longer giving me action. Let me see if I can refresh. All right, let's see. Build a JavaScript Tic-Tac-Toe game for 2 players. Right, it's building it as a TSX file. All right, this looks better. UI is a little bad, but we do have a winner. All right, so seems to do better. Now notice this is Tailwind CSS. Let's see, can you make the colors have more contrast? Well, let's see what it gives. That's better. Oh, let's see. XOXOX. Winner. Reset game. All right, so it did much better with the Next.js than it did using the Python. Could be several reasons for that, but this is pretty good. And if we look at our code base, React, so it is quite usable, right? You could definitely copy this. Looks like the copy is good. Link. Let's try one more. And okay, actually let's refresh so we get kind of a fresh run. Let's see. Can you provide me with data and a graph that plots, I don't know, domestic spending in the United States versus the president at the time. I don't know if it actually has any access to data. We're going to find out. Okay, so it tells us first we need data set. Okay, we'll use Python. So overall, I think better demonstration has more flexibility than Llama Code, although I think the Llama Coder is going to continue to grow. Still, my favorite. Oh, so we got data. Interesting. So here's the year. So that looks like pretty nice. So looks like an A on the data analyst, A minus probably on the next. The Streamlit didn't do so well, but perhaps building a chat or something, it would do much better. So overall, Claude Dev, the VS Code is still my favorite. I think that's the best. Has the diff engine and writes directly in VS Code. But I look forward to seeing the comments on what you've tried and how you feel about this app. Take care, happy coding, and have a great day.